Experiment 4. To study reactivity of different metals. Aim of the experiment. To observe the action of zinc, iron, copper and aluminium metals on the following salt solutions. Zinc sulfate, iron sulfate, copper sulfate, aluminium sulfate. Arrange zinc, iron, copper and aluminium metals in the decreasing order of reactivity based on the results. Apparatus and materials required. 4 100 ml beakers, sandpaper, distilled water, strips of zinc, iron, copper and aluminium metals, freshly prepared solutions of zinc sulfate, iron sulfate, copper sulfate, aluminium sulfate, etc. Procedure. Take 4 beakers and mark them as A, B, C and D. Pour about 20 ml aqueous solution of zinc sulfate in beaker A, iron sulfate in beaker B, copper sulfate in beaker C and aluminium sulfate in beaker D. Clean the metal strips with sandpaper. Dip zinc strips in all 4 beakers. Observe the change in color of the solutions as well as of metal strips and record the changes. Repeat the experiment with other metals and note the changes. Result and discussion. From the observation it is clear that aluminium is more reactive than zinc, iron and copper. Zinc is more reactive than iron and copper but less reactive than aluminium. Iron is more reactive than copper but less reactive than aluminium and zinc. Copper is less reactive than aluminium, zinc and iron. The above reactions show that the reactivities of these metals are in the order aluminium is more than zinc, more than iron, more than copper. This is the decreasing order of reactivity of metals.